Hello everybody, this is Shrikant. So today I'm gonna talk about the data scraping. For a long period of time, I don't have any topic to create for YouTube videos. Normally, a data scraping, specifically I said web data scraping, is a method of extracting data from various websites in our specified or needed format, like for example, as a Excel format, like a column and value. Like for example, uh, let's just search table and okay, see, as you can see here the table is available. I just can directly copy this and paste it into the Excel. See, this is just a very basic type of data scraping, but manually. In this you can see a heading and the values, but not every time the heading will be at top. Like it can be at the left side, right side, or anything, or it can be in a structure like this, or it can be also a new link. So data may change its structure based on the uh, position and the based on the website. Like for example, as you can see, this is an Amazon website, and we when we search anything on it, it have data similar to like this. Now if I try to copy this and paste it into the Excel, I got the data in a very unstructured format which cannot be used directly, because let's just see, as you can see, it also pasted the images which we didn't know need. But this is the problem. Normally in a manual data scraping or any type of scraping, we have to like create columns like title, price, and model, motto, or what can we scrape it here. Okay, currently I'm not scraping anything from the amazon.com. I'm just showing this website just for the knowledge. Okay, the title, the price, and the URL. Normally in this process we have to click each and every link to scrape the data, and many more the columns if needed. I'm just gonna make it okay, whatever. So as you can see, if I try to refresh it, it's not working. Okay, no problem. So I have this testing site which is already have this type of data. Like as you can see, if I click the e-commerce part, and here you can see a product, its dummy is commerce site. It have product, price, and URL also. URL, the title, and next the price. Normally many sites have a structure, but undefined structure which is changed as per the requirement. Colors, like it have three options like gold, white, and black. Let's just zoom in. Okay, gold, white, and black. As you can see, we can just use this method, but it's not feasible with every time. Like as you can see, it have URL, title, and price also, but it does not have the option of colors. So we have to create a new column on the fly to add these options, like 128 GB variants of hard disk, like 128, 256, 512, and 1024. And as you can see, it changes everything to numbers also. uh, it should be a text. Okay, so as you can see also, that this took like more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes for just two rows of data. But with the help of data scraping, we can get all the data directly in a programmatic manner. Normally the data scraping have many methods, like we can scrape it with Google Sheets. Like normally the Google Sheet have some built-in functions, like which is advanced type of functions, which is not similar to MS Excel, but it have some extra capabilities of reading the data from internet. It can be HTML format, XML format, data feed, this type of format. And there is also option of Python. Like, it's the most usable option, which can be used for data scraping, and most successful option. Okay, because some websites cannot even be scraped by the Google Sheets, because of the loading structure, the structure of the images, and the speed also. Here you can see a programmatic way to contact the internet or websites. It's similar to ping of command line. And there is a Selenium also. It's like a bot. It's normally used for testing, but most of the people use it as a scraping device. Data scraping with, so we are just gonna add the title set here and the level. Normally this all topics can be added in future, because I cannot guarantee this all of these topics will be in the program, because there are more, like data scraping, which is basic level, the Python request, which is also a basic level, and then we can use like a beautiful soup, which is like a intermediate level. As per my, it's not confirmed, for many people it is not intermediate, but as I can see, all the levels are decided by my experience, not by everybody's. We can also use pandas in scraping. Yes, we can. Okay, and there is also option of pydantic, which is used for the validation of the data. And there is also a Selenium, as as I said, it is an expert level of the scraping methods, and many more in future. I will try to add many topics, but this will be my plan for my next videos. Okay, and if anything else that you can add or suggest me, give it in the comments. Bye.